everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we will cover MCQs on RabbitMQ error handling and security. But before we start, if you haven't watched my previous video, go check out link in description. It will help you understand this better. Alright, let's get started. What happens to an unacknowledged message when the consumer crashes? Options are redelivered, deleted, sent to DLX, and disappears. Option A is correct. The message is redelivered to the same or another consumer when it is reconnected. What is a dead letter exchange in RabbitMQ? Options are expired queue, routes failed messages, backup type, and direct exchange. Option B is correct. DLX handles messages that are rejected, expired, and undeliverable. How do you enable dead lettering for a queue? Options are fanout binding, use basic neck method, X dead letter exchange, and auto delete equals true. Option C is correct. Use X dead letter exchange argument when declaring the queue. If a queue has TTL of 10,000 milliseconds, what happens after that? Options are queue deleted, messages expires, redelivery, and auto acknowledged. Option B is correct. Message not consumed within TTL expires and can be routed to DLX. You set up pre-message TTL using options are queue props, exchange data, AMQP.basics properties, and consumer settings. Option C is correct. TTL can be set using the expiration field in AMQP.basic properties. What happens if a message TTL expires? Options are acknowledged, queue paused, sent to DLX, and retires again. Option C is correct. Expired messages go to the dead letter exchange if configured. What does basic reject do? Options are redelivers, deletes, send to DLX, and ignores. Option C is correct. If a dead letter exchange is configured, the rejected message will be sent to the DLX. Otherwise, it will simply discarded. What is the default behavior if basic neck or basic reject is called without a DLX? Options are dropped, retries forever, new queue made, and log error. Option A is correct. Rejected messages are discarded if no dead letter exchange is configured. Which of these cause messages to enter a dead letter exchange? Options are wrong key, TTL expires, durable is equals to false, and manual acknowledged. Option B is correct. TTL expires triggered dead letter if dead letter exchange is set. Why is requeuing a message sometimes risky? Options are deletes it, uses RAM, infinite failure loop, and disables DLX. Option C is correct. Requeuing can cause repeated failure if the issue is not resolved. Which port does RabbitMQ uses for SSL by default? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Port 5671 is used for secure AMQP over SSL or TLS. Which file is required to verify the server during an SSL connection? Options are key file, server certificate, certificate authority, and password file. Option C is correct. The certificate authority is used to verify the server's identity. In Java, which class is used to load trusted certificates? Options are SSL helper, trust manager factory, socket manager, and keyloader. Option B is correct. Java uses trust manager factory to manage trusted certificate authority. What is the purpose of the .jks trust store in Java RabbitMQ SSL config? Options are save password, encrypt messages, store certificate authority, and forward messages. Option C is correct. A .jks file stores certificate authority for SSL validation. What does the verify peer SSL options in RabbitMQ ensures? Options are consumer rights, client certificate is verified, persistent check, and trust queue name. Option B is correct. The verify peer options ensures the RabbitMQ validates the client's SSL certificate during the connection handshake. This helps maintain secure and trusted communication. What happens if no peer certificate is equals to true and client doesn't send certificate? Options are connection fails, messages rejected, DLX used, and certificate ignored. Option A is correct. Connection is refused if client certificate is missing and fail if no peer certificate is true. Which RabbitMQ plugin is required for managing users and permissions via UI? Options are SSL plugin, management plugin, firewall plugin, and login plugin. Option B is correct. The management plugin provides the RabbitMQ web UI. To secure a RabbitMQ web UI, what is a must-have? Options are QMirror, HTTPS plus strong password, topic exchange, and auto delete is equals to false. Option D is correct. Secure your UI with HTTPS and a strong admin password. You get EOF exception in Java SSL connection. What is the cause? Options are queue deleted, SSL mismatch, timeout, DLX full. Option B is correct. End of file exception usually means SSL handshake failed due to config mismatch. When do you use both key and certificate file in RabbitMQ SSL? Options are to delete queue, mutual SSL auth, manual acknowledgement, and fan out routing. Option B is correct. Mutual SSL requires both client certificate and private key. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.